What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day. I'm about to go and drop off the car to go get wrapped. So we might get another look at it just before I drop it off, just to go over it while it's all, well, not all white, but while it's mostly white right now. Probably not going to do a cold start because wife's car is right here. And I can't really get the camera set up and don't feel like going through all of that just yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the wrap. We're gonna load it to my wife's car, and we're gonna head on over to drop the car off. But yeah, we'll go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, so just getting here. This is how it's standing. I was told not to wash it, which is kind of hard giving it to them like this, but I was told not to because didn't want to have any wax or any residue that might have some issues with the wrap sticking. The wrap is over there. He got a couple jobs done. Somebody's gonna pick that one up, and then that's his car there. So looking pretty good. We're gonna be moving the cars here in just a moment. Said 2 to 3 days and it should be done. So definitely stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, this is a different camera. I just have my phone just getting back from the airport. I'll do a better clip. It's a bit loud here. I'm not sure how it's coming through. I don't have a dedicated mic for this, so I'll keep it short. But I decided to fly home. As some of you may have seen, my mom has recently passed, and I had to, yeah, I'll wait till I get to another location. But all right, so like I was saying, so I dropped the car off before my mom had passed, and so the car was finished while I was in Georgia with the family. So I had to basically get a flight back home so I can go ahead and pick up the car, because I don't want it just sitting at the guy's, because it's at his house. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Then from there we're gonna be flying out to Maryland. But as far as the story for the car, so it wasn't supposed to be a tribute car. Like I said, I dropped the car off before my mom passed. We didn't even think that was gonna happen, so it was basically just she was going to see it when she got out of the hospital. So unfortunately, that's not how it went. So yeah, but I'll cut to when I'm going to go pick it up now. All right, here she is. I'm about to pull it out, and I'll get some better footage once the car is out of the garage in a moment. I'm probably not going to use the footage that I took getting the car. It was pretty dark, so footage wasn't that great, and I was on my phone because when I got picked up from the airport, I didn't have my camera, so I was using the phone. I might include some clips from it. It'll have a little bit of the explanation. I believe I gave it in that breakdown. But yeah, shortly after I picked the car up, the very next morning, we ended up driving to Maryland for my mom's funeral. And so as soon as I got the car, basically it came in the garage and it sat, and I'm just now getting back. It is what, 4 days later, I believe, or so. But before I did get the car, once it was done being wrapped, let it sit outside for a day or two, just to see how it performed with the elements, and to see if any of the imperfections showed up. And it was looking pretty good. I think the only issue I've noticed has been around the door handles. It's not crazy, and looks like a little spot by the diffuser. Looks a little rough, but other than that, I'm still kind of going over it to see how it looks. But he did add some pretty cool touches. So I didn't have enough material to do the tank, but Probably gonna do the tank. I was gonna initially do it this color, but I'm probably gonna do a accent color. But also, this was white, so he did a quick job with the plasti dip. So looks pretty good, because it was pretty jarring being that color, because it was a lot of white. So he did that, no extra charge or anything, so definitely appreciated that. But I think I might do the rest. Not sure yet. We'll see. But as you can see, the car is pretty dirty, so I'm gonna pull it out and give it a wash in just a moment. Figured I'd do the cold start since it's been quite a few days, and it actually has been pretty chilly here, so figured I'd do that while I had the chance. But I'm also gonna have to wash my wife's car. It's got us there and back, and they were treating the roads for snow. We just missed the snow, but we did get some of that salt and stuff on there, so definitely needs a wash. So I'll go ahead and do that, then I'll wash my car. I think I will have the car, may take it out to a show tonight. I think I might do, or to a meet tonight. We'll see. We'll see if anybody's really gonna go. Alright, did a quick wash. It's about to rain, as you can see. But so I'm gonna hurry up, get this dried off and put back in the garage for now. I'm not 100% sure on the meet tonight. It depends on if we got anybody really going, if the homies are going or not. If not, then I'll have another clip of me closing out the video. But I think I will be going. Also depends on the weather, because it's supposed to be pretty nasty today. But hopefully by the time it's meet time, it should be clear. But we will see. But got my wife's car cleaned as well. Got all that salt off. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this up, and I'll pick up the camera when it's time. Oh, actually, also, I do, like I said, I do have the emblem. Really haven't had time to get it installed, but that's gonna be coming soon, as well as my underglow. Those are the next two things. I have a few other things already here, like my star headliner, but I'm gonna need some more time for that. But yeah, I do have quite a few things ready to be installed. I'm gonna be doing a big brake kit probably for my next purchase. I gotta see if if the wheels are gonna clear, or if it's gonna need spacers, because that'll determine the order. Because if I need new wheels, then that'll be coming first. All right, I'm not gonna record too much because of music, but what's this running here? Yeah, that was a fucking visual. Alright, so emblem here. This is the version 2, so it'll be nice seeing it hooked up here and hooked up with the mirrors and everything. So let's take a look. Okay, so I didn't end up going to the meet, as you can see. But what I did do is I went over to the homie Javi's house. I got a little bit of footage, nothing too major. Not even sure if I'm gonna use that footage, honestly. But yeah, so homie Javi did hook up the LED emblem, so finally got that installed. And of course it matches the turnstile mirror, same app, I can control them both. So yeah, definitely coming along pretty nicely. I believe the next video I'll do will be the one going over, see, disconnected from the side mirror because I'm not close enough. But yeah, so it disconnected. But the next video will be my 1-year ownership video, because yeah, I'm about a week away from having a car for a full year. So yeah, but yeah, definitely let me know what you think about the wrap, about the pieces that's wrapped, the color, all of that good stuff. And yeah, before we end this, I'd like to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.